Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see will completely flip the way you think about video creation.
Picture this. You type a single line of text and instantly you get a full HD video with real voices, perfect lip sync, emotions, and even background sounds. Now, you might be thinking, oh, this must be Google Veo 3, but nope, you're wrong, because Veo doesn't even let you generate HD videos for free. This tool does. And not just that, I'll also reveal a hidden trick that unlocks unlimited video generations, absolutely free. This isn't some futuristic dream. It's happening right now. And once you see it, you'll never look at online video the same way again.
Okay, let's start with what you actually get. Perplexity is no longer just a powerful AI search engine. It's now also an image and video generation platform. Here's how the plans work. If you're a Pro member, you get 5 free video generations per month. If you're on the Max plan, you get 15 free video generations per month. And best part? No extra tools, no hidden buttons. Everything is built right into the main platform. Super clean, super simple. Now, let's put it to the test. I typed this prompt. A young woman stands at a famous chaat stall holding a paper plate of golgappas. She's speaking live to the camera, describing the taste as she bites into one, laughing when a drop of water spills on her hand. Hit generate, waited about 2 to 3 minutes, and look at this. The AI gave me an 8-second video, complete with voiceover, lip sync, and natural expressions.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, अभी मैं चंदनी चौक के मशहूर चाट वाले पर हूँ।
Yes, it slightly messed up the location spelling for Chandni Chowk, but still, the result looks insanely real. From the way she holds the plate to the way she speaks, this is next-level realism. Next prompt. Let's go with something a little more complex. I typed, a young couple sits on a plaid blanket surrounded by sandwiches, fruits, and lemonade. The woman speaks live to the camera, showing how she made a quick picnic basket at home. Generated, and wow.
नमस्ते, आज हमने घर पर 10 मिनट में एक क्विक पिकनिक बास्केट बनाया. Simple sandwiches, seasonal fruits, और ये
The picnic video came out beautiful. Smiling couples, natural gestures, food on the table, even the vibe of a picnic afternoon. Honestly, it looks like a scene straight out of a movie, but it was 100% AI generated. Alright, for the third example, I tried image to video, a simple cycling scene. I typed, a young woman rides a cycle along the empty boulevard. Camera, POV from handlebar mount, then side gimbal shot capturing the ocean and glowing horizon. Hits to generate, now see results.
Look at this sunrise. Mumbai feels so peaceful at this hour. Before the city wakes up.
This isn't just visuals anymore. This is AI bringing environments to life. And yes, you can download everything in HD or even 4K quality straight to your device. For the final test, I used this prompt. A young professional cracks eggs into a bowl, whisking quickly. She speaks live in English. This is my go-to dinner after a long day. Quick and zero effort. Camera, tripod shot close to the pan, then rack focus to her face smiling at the sizzling omelet. And guys, unbelievable.
This is my go-to dinner after a long day. Quick and zero effort. In a quiet kitchen.
You can see the egg cracking in slow motion, hear the sizzle as it hits the pan, watch the expressions as she cooks, and yes, lip sync with the generated voiceover is spot on. This doesn't just look real, it feels real. Okay, and now for the best part, the hidden hack you've been waiting for. If you want unlimited video generations, here's the secret. All you need is an Airtel mobile number. Log in with it, enter the OTP, and boom, your account unlocks into Pro. That means unlimited usage without paying a single dollar. Crazy, right? And hardly anyone knows this trick. By the way, I've made a separate full tutorial on this hack. I'll drop that link in the description if you want to try it yourself.
So what did we learn today? Perplexity's new AI model is way beyond expectations. Ultra-realistic videos, built-in emotions. Honestly, this isn't just an AI experiment. This is a complete game changer for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, advertising, and content creation. If this blew your mind, smash the like, subscribe, and share. Don't miss more AI hacks. Hit subscribe now. Keep exploring AI